again with another sound test video. I'll be testing out this lavalier mic. I'm wearing it about 7 inches down from my chin on my shot. I'm going to do a couple tests, and I'll tell you what I think. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Ba ba ba. Pa pa pa. Overall, I think the mic does good. It ain't too quiet. Ain't too loud. And if it is, they got a microphone boost right here. Just how you want it. I'm using Windows 8. So I hope this helped you a little bit. Thanks for watching.